Hello! Time for another dose of unboxings. Away unboxing. Away. Hey! Okay, we're gonna do a quick Away Luggage unboxing. Brand new. I haven't seen it. I had to buy sight unseen over the phone. So we're gonna unbox it together, see it together, and then we're gonna pack it because I gotta leave. I was going to Europe again. So let's unbox my newest little carry-on. Okay? Away. And then away we'll go. Hey! Wish I had my better Indian roots to be able to do this. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna do this. I tried. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, shopaholic, and today we're doing a quick away unboxing, sight unseen, a new carry-on luggage that I need to get right away for because I don't like any of the stuff that I have, and I wanted to get something new, but not something super expensive because I don't like spending a lot of money on luggage necessarily. Bags, yes, but luggage, tossed around, dusted around, and also even the carry-ons, because I don't want to draw too much attention to it in this day and age. And everything's hidden, you know? But also because, although this is a little flashy, it's a little kind of flashy, but not too flashy. But also because I keep switching in and out, you know? One day I'll get a Rimowa, I think, but I feel like I've seen good and bad reviews about Rimowa, and I don't know. And like the Louis Vuitton ones and like the Goyard ones and the Hermes ones are like for when you fly private, which we're not there yet. But one day we will be manifesting. Let's unbox. And I got a free gift, okay? So I'm obviously gonna unbox it first and then tick, and then we'll unbox it on here, okay? I already unboxed it, it came out, but it's this. Okay, so I got this. So there were a few options. There was the gold, the green. It was like the dark green, velvet green, which is really exciting, but they didn't have it available. It's a wait list, and I have to get it today because I have to go. And they had a maroon with silver hardware and a black with silver hardware. I wanted the black one, but then that wasn't available either. So I picked the next big thing, which was the gold one. And I came in this little box, okay? Box. Also came with a little free gift, which I guess is a coffee grinder mug or something. I think you just make like instant coffee through here. This little instant coffee powder. Not exactly sure. Oh yeah, no, this can't be it. I don't know. I'm not really sure. But cool. Thank you, Away. I probably will never use this. Thank you. But okay. And then I got the little thing monogrammed, and we're gonna pack it right now. And this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Okay. And it's the biggest size you can get. It's just like light gold, which, look, I mean, it's a little fancy and different. Maybe I can ask for one of these colors now. But look, how cute would it go like that? Traveling around. Okay, so it's got these two buttons, and you open it like that, and it's got two divider compartments with all these little fun things in here. I don't even know what these are. Oh, this is probably a little shoe bag for your shoes. And we've got scuffs happen to clean your suitcase. Oh, a little scuff cleaner for your suitcase. That's nice. And then, oh, that's it. And a little zippy, and then a little zip section over here for the other side. Oh, and then an Away dust bag for the suitcase. Oh yeah, for the suitcase when you want to put it away and not use it. But what do you think? I'm really excited. This is different. I've used my best friend's one, and I've liked it. So if you guys want me to do a review, I can. But I liked it a lot. That's why I wanted to get one, because I liked his so much. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it. Let's go away. Come away with me. Come away with me. Okay, now I gotta go pack. So I'll see you guys on the other side in a month or so. Love you. I hope this was fun. Let me know if you have any questions about Away. It's great. It's $450 for this one. The smaller one was $425. Bigger one was $450. Oh, it's $425. The bigger one was $450. They have a bunch of different models. This is the new model that they just released. I don't know if this is a new color or not, but this is the newest model. It's like this polycarbonate kind of thing, and then aluminum corners. But yeah, okay. That's all I got. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hate it, share with your enemies, because I know your time is valuable and your time is precious. So I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.